Hey, Lawrence Lott, and welcome back for a property tip. And on today's episode, what is gross yield and how to calculate it? Gross yield is a percentage of the annual rent over the purchase price of the property. For this example, our property rents at $500 a week and we paid $500,000 for this property. So the gross yield is $500 a week times 52 weeks to give us $26,000 as the annual rent. Divide that by the $500,000 we paid for it, and your gross yield will be 5.2%. This percentage is what a lot of property investors use very simply to look at the potential for cash flow on that property. And what I mean by that is if you know that your current mortgage rate at the bank is 4% or 5%, for example, this property is bringing 5.2% gross yield and your mortgage rate is 4%. This property will only bring you 1.2% potential cash flow, excluding expenses. So the likelihood is this calculation will make you negative cash flow a month and therefore not a good idea to get into. But if your mortgage rates are 1% or 1.5% and this property is doing 5.2%, you have the potential then to make 3 or 3.5% of cash flow, excluding expenses. So a bit of a better deal. But this is why it is a high level calculation to look at whether a property will bring you some cash flow. The other two calculations are the net yield and the return on investment. And you can find those explanations in my channel if you want to learn more about property investment. But I hope you enjoyed my explanation of what gross yield is. And if you did, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Until next time, see ya.